a tea bag or a tea dunker. Don't know what it's called. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we have another tea subscription. Yes, I freaking love tea. Tea is so amazing. And then I just recently found out, and I don't know why I never thought this was a thing. You can drink your tea not only hot, but you can brew it as iced tea as well. Duh! So now I'm like extra excited about tea. So if you guys would like to see what came in my simple loose leaf tea subscription box, then just keep on watching. So this subscription box, I was very pleasantly, not surprised, I guess, but I thought it was so amazing. They have almost 5 stars out of 243 reviews. That is wonderful. You will receive 4 new teas each month. It's $9 for 1 box every 3 months. Choices are a sampler box, an herbal and decaf box, a black tea box, or a green tea box. And each packet of tea has about 4 to 5 cups per tea packet. And a lot of the teas can be re-steeped, so you could really get far more cups than that. Shipping is only $2.99. That is wonderful. This company is ran by 2 brothers and a sister. I just thought that was really cool when families get together and they make companies together and run companies together. I think that's amazing. It's a great way to connect with your family. And if your family is able to run a company together, you're probably pretty close with your family. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I'm not sure which box I have. They did send this to me for review. I'm gonna guess there's just a card on top, but it doesn't tell you what kind of tea box it is. That's your sneak peek right there. I'm gonna guess it's the sampler box, right? Okay, Simple Loose Leaf Tea Company. So there is Andrew and Nicholas right there. That's the 2 brothers. We'd like to welcome you to the Simple Loose Leaf family. Oh, that's cool. How did we do on our first box? Share your feedback by texting us. That's so cool. The story of a hero. Did you know that Simple Loose Leaf isn't really a tea company? We're actually a gift company that focuses on the joy of botanicals and tea. And every month we ship a box to thousands of our greatest heroes. What? Every month, our heroes help us support amazing people and companies around the United States. The Lennon tea filters are... Oh, I don't know if I want to read that yet. Okay. Our Lennon tea filters are made from North Carolina cotton by a company in Kansas. The box you just opened is made by an Arkansas company a short car ride south of us. And most importantly, our heroes help support a partnership with a local developmental workplace that provides employment to members of our community that have developmental disabilities. These wonderful people are provided a safe and understanding environment that allows them to be themselves and have the support they need to flourish. Have you guessed who our hero is? You! You're our hero. And every time you brew a cup of our tea, you help us make the world around us a better place to live. Thank you for being such a wonderful tea lover. I don't know why that just completely pulled at my heartstrings so much. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Welcome to Simple Loose Leaf's Loose Leaf Tea subscription. What is Simple Loose Leaf? We're a family-run company that focuses on the joy of exploring new loose leaf teas while expanding our relationship with a local developmental workplace that provides employment for members of our local community. We're helping to employ members of an amazing community. What can you expect with our tea box? Each box will include 4 loose leaf teas, 4 reusable linen tea filters, yes, made in Kansas, and descriptions of each tea and how to brew them. So this is the blue box, so I got the sampler tea box. Our sampler tea box will feature the widest range of loose leaf teas. Each box will include a black tea, a green tea, an herbal tea, and something seasonally fun. Yes. The herbal tea box is a purple box. Will feature all caffeine-free loose leaf herbal teas. These teas will explore the flavors of the season we're enjoying. There's the green tea box, which is a green box. Our green tea box will feature an assortment of loose leaf green teas, ranging from single origin to blended teas that are fun all year long. And then the black tea box, which is a dark brown box, which I absolutely love black tea. It's my favorite. The black tea box will feature loose leaf black teas that capture the heart of the season we're in. Single origin blends and fun flavored teas. Yes. Okay, I can't take it anymore. We got to get in here. Okay, so here is our reusable tea bags. Those are big. Like, those are big. Yes. Okay, so I have a confession to make. Since I've started receiving tea subscription boxes and drinking more and more tea, if I don't buy them at the store in the box with they're already pre-stuffed into the tea bags, you know, like from your Fred Meyer's or something like that, Walmart, whatever. If I have loose leaf tea, I normally just like put it in my cup and like I'll strain the stuff off the top and then there'll still be little bits in there, but most of the time it'll float to the bottom. And for the longest time, I haven't used a tea bag or a tea dunker. Don't know what it's called. Okay, so these are super freaking awesome, okay? I'm so stoked for those. Yes, I love the little things in life. Yes, I do. Okay, and next for our tea, we have 4 of them right here. The one right on top is the Formosa Oolong. Ooh, I love oolong tea. Okay, origin Taiwan. It has a batch number. There is caffeine in here. You brew it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. You brew it for 2 to 3 minutes and you use 2 teaspoons per cup. This semi-fermented tea from Taiwan gets its name from the Portuguese explorers who called the island Formosa, meaning beautiful. The copper red leaves with tips of silver brew into a beautiful, bright, golden, brisk cup with peach undertones. Yum! This tea is in your first simple loose leaf box as it is something that many tea drinkers have not had a chance to experience. Oolong tea is outside the normal green, black, white triangle that most tea drinkers have experienced. This oolong is a relatively low caffeine tea and makes a great afternoon or evening brew. Yes. And there it is inside there. I was really quite curious that it said silver tips. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm excited for that one. Ooh, okay. Next up, we have blood orange. I love their little artwork on here. Like these flowers. And then that one, that's so pretty. Origin is South Africa. They have a batch number. There is no caffeine in here. You brew it at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. You steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. Use 2 teaspoons per cup. With rooibos, orange peel, hibiscus, rose hips, apple pieces, safflowers, and rose petals. Rose petals? This tea will brew hot, cold, iced, and everything in between. We'd describe it more, but it's a flavor explosion you just have to experience to understand. We have included this tea as it's part of a family of teas that have proven to be one of the top-selling tea lines we offer. This tea is also caffeine-free and makes a great evening drink that won't keep you or the family up late. That is so wonderful. Okay. I love the little stories behind tea. It's so interesting to me. So this is the Blue Lady Grey. Ooh, I love me some gray. It's from India. There's a batch number. There is caffeine. You brew at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. You steep for 3 to 5 minutes. A lighter take on the classic Earl Grey style of teas. Blue Lady Grey will be a new favorite if you enjoy Earl Grey teas. Look for the smooth lavender and the bergamot citrus notes when brewing your first cup of Blue Lady Grey. We are featuring Blue Lady Grey in your first box because it shows a softer side of Earl Grey teas that many tea drinkers have not had the chance to experience. Oh yeah. You can see the little pieces of lavender in there. That'll be fun. I don't think I showed you guys the blood orange one. That's pretty. That definitely is a coppery red color. And then there's safflowers. Yes. And then next up we have the Genmaicha. This is from Japan. There's a batch number. There is caffeine. You brew it at 180 degrees Fahrenheit and you steep it for 2 to 3 minutes. So you tea drinkers out there, do you actually check the temperature of your hot water you're putting your tea into? I don't. My tea would probably taste better if I did. Okay. A classic and polarizing tea, Genmaicha, uses a sencha green tea with toasted rice kernels. The Japanese sencha brings the rich and complex notes of a wonderful green tea, while the rice kernels bring a truly unique experience that can best be described as toasted grain. The first brewing of this tea will feature the toasted rice as the leading experience. The second brewing and beyond, the toasted rice becomes a rich complementary note to the bold sencha. If the first brew doesn't pique your interest, toss it and try the second. The experience of each brewing is vastly different. That is super cool. Our Genmaicha has been sent to you in the first box because we wanted to show you a well-rounded green tea that works well as a daily drinker while still having enough complexity to be a special occasion tea. Wow, this one looks super cool because you can see the rice kernels in there. That seems very interesting to me. Okay, which one am I drinking? I think I really want to try the blood orange tea, and I am going to drink this one hot, but I was also thinking about brewing it cold as well to see that. So I'm going to go get me some hot water, and we will brew this up together and see how it goes. Okay, and I'm back. We got our tea brewed right here. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys what it looks like. There we go. It looks brown, but it's actually just like a pretty reddish, orangish copper color. It's super, super pretty. Okay, let's do the taste test. Again, this is the blood orange one. Hot. Oh, that tastes good. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Alrighty, and again, this one is from South Africa. That is delicious. I can't wait till that cools down a little bit. I am going to drink that up. Sometimes it's so hard to sit there and savor your teas because they just taste so good. You're like, oh, it's gone. Alrighty, let's do a quick recap. So we got the 4 reusable, such a great idea, tea bags. Here is the one that I just used. That's 2 teaspoons of tea in there. So pretty. You can see the orange safflowers. Okay. And then we got our 4 teas. So today I enjoyed the blood orange tea. And then we got this one. And this one. I can't wait to try this one. And that one. It's another one I can't wait to try. Lavender. I've always wanted to try lavender in my tea. I know, I haven't tried it yet. I need to. Alrighty, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Please let me know down below what you guys think about this subscription. You get 4 bags of tea, 4 reusable bags for less than $10. That's mind-blowing to me. I believe this is the cheapest tea subscription on the market, and I think that's super awesome. So, like always, I love you guys so, so very much. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!